Called Island Time. Stick around, we'll see you shortly. It's good already, isn't it? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, my girl and me in the starry glow, bottles empty and the lights are low, Marvin Gaye on the radio, how sweet it is. The harbor lights seem to sing to me, just lay back, just let it be. Lazy up that energy, take some time running round just to try to see one more hill to climb. But it was never in my heart, just in my mind. And I'm living on island time. For so long you've been on my mind. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Now down by old Bob's Bar and Grill, catfish stew going by the smell, friends hanging out by the ocean swell. Into the night, the fisherman's fixing up his line, lays it out on a long leaf pine, counting fish, maybe 8 or 9. He got just enough. Now I always knew I'd be back again. Nuts can't stay away. This time, girl, I'm coming home to stay. And I'm living on island time. For so long you've been on my mind. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. For so long I've been wandering, but now I'm back where my heart sings, and we're living on island time. For so long you've been on my mind. Yeah, we're living on island time. For so long you've been on my mind. Yeah, we're singing our island songs that our fathers have loved so long. Island time, there you go. Thanks very much. We're going to take a short little break.